Use these tips to ask the universe to fulfill your deepest desires. Manifesting what we want is simple but not easy. All we have to do is ask for what we want. However, there is a catch. The energy we put into asking affects what we manifest. If we ask the universe for things in a desperate, needy, or doubtful way, we will actually attract more despair, need and doubt. In addition, if we are too vague about what we desire, we can end up manifesting the wrong things or nothing at all. This is why it is important to get very clear about both our energy and our intentions before we attempt to manifest our desires. The following process will help you to ask the universe for all that you want with love, ease, and confidence. 1. Get your energy right. Before we begin to ask the universe for our desires, it is essential to get our energy right. This can be one of the trickiest aspects of manifestation for some people. When we ask from a place of fear or need, we are not sending out the right energy to the universe. The reason manifestation is called the law of attraction is because the principle behind it is that like attracts like. Therefore, if we send out fearful or needy energy, we will actually attract back things that will make us more fearful or needy. When we ask with doubt or think that we do not deserve good things, we will attract back proof of these beliefs. This is why energy work is the first step in manifestation work. One of the simplest ways to switch from an energy of lack to one of positivity is to be grateful for all the things we have in our lives. 2. Overcome blocks to manifestation. Before we can manifest what we desire, we have to break down blocks that stand in our way. Common blocks include: if I have more, someone else will have less. I do not deserve good things. The universe is indifferent or hostile to me. Unfortunately, we have often been taught that there is only a certain amount of good things to go around and that if we have more, others will have less. We feel guilty for asking for things when we know people in the world are suffering. However, the universe is limitless. It's not a pie that has to be shared out. Many of us have also picked up the message that we do not deserve good things to happen to us. We may feel that we are not worthy of happiness and success. In addition, we may have heard people say that rich or successful people are greedy or evil. We then begin to equate our suffering with being good or worthy. It can be hard to believe that we are worthy of our desires and that we can have what we want and still be good people. We can also feel like the universe is hostile or indifferent to us. When we have tried to manifest and failed, it is easy to believe that the universe doesn't care about us. When we see so much suffering, it can seem that the universe is cold or even hostile to human beings. However, the universe is simply responding to the energy it receives. Learning to use this energy can ease the suffering of the world when used correctly. So do not feel guilty for wanting more. 3. Get clear about your intentions. Another problem that gets in the way of manifesting what we desire is a lack of clarity about what we want. We may have only vague ideas of what we desire, or we may have conflicting desires. It is important to be specific about what we want and why. Rather than asking the universe for love, money or health, work out the details of exactly what you want. Getting clear and specific helps with the next steps in the process. 4. Ask the universe. Once you are clear about what you want, it is time to ask the universe for your desires. You may want to take some time for deep breathing or meditation before you begin. It's essential to be feeling as relaxed and positive as you can so that your energy is good. You can create a ritual around asking the universe if you choose, perhaps lighting a candle or going to a beautiful place in nature where you feel connected to nature and universal energy. Then, simply ask the universe for what you desire. The spoken word is very powerful, so it is important that you ask for what you want out loud. 5. Feel your desires. Once you have asked for what you want, spend a few moments feeling what it would be like to have what you have asked for. The more feeling you can put into this, the better. Remember, the universe is responding to your energy. So if you feel truly positive and grateful for what you have manifested, you are asking the universe to send you more reasons to feel positive and grateful. Many people get stuck at this stage. It can be hard to feel grateful for something you don't yet have. It can be particularly hard to feel positive if you are suffering in a negative situation in your life right now. Practicing manifestation can help you to overcome this. Try asking the universe for something small at first to build your manifesting muscles. 6. Let go. Once you have asked for what you want, it is time to let go of your intention. You need to relax and let the universe get on with its job. Fretting and worrying about the situation will block the manifestation process, so try to remain positive. Be open to new opportunities that come your way, and remember that sometimes things will manifest in a slightly different way than what you expected. 7. Gratitude. Gratitude is actually the beginning and end of the manifestation process. In order to be in alignment with universal energy, it is important that we focus on all that we have to be thankful for. This will lift our energy and help us to manifest good things. Then, once we receive what we have asked for, we should show gratitude for all what we receive. This creates a spiral of appreciation, gratitude, and positivity that will help us to manifest bigger and better things. This process will help to raise our vibration and the vibration of our entire planet, and help us and others to be happy, well, contented and fulfilled.